In this video, we are going to look at how you can add, manage, and personalize content blocks using Mozello. To add a new content block, click the blue cross button above or below an existing content block. Then select the content block you want to add from the available types. You can add text blocks, image blocks, video blocks, banners, product blocks, gallery, and form blocks. Once you have chosen the block, you can edit it, move it up and down, or delete it. To edit the block, click on the settings icon on the upper right corner. There you can change the block background color, adjust the height and width, and change other options that are related to the specific block type. For example, column and row count. In this way, you can create really personalized website layouts to convey the most important information to your visitors and guide them through the site.